Well, hello there. And this is my door to my room. Ta-da! And this is my ultimate kind of minimalistic bedroom. It's very small. If you could tell, this is it. I'll actually step back for you guys to see the whole thing. So I have put up some Christmas lights all around my room, and I love it, honestly. Like, this is the best thing I have done. They've been on my wall for over, I think, 3-4 years. So here's a little bit of my room, and this is just IKEA sheets. Some pillows are from Ross. I try to make it as, I don't have anything on the wall, on my walls, except me and my boyfriend, my now fiance, little love picture frame. This is a special rose I have. This is the first rose he gave me when we first started dating. And these lamps are just from Ross. A little fake plant. Apparently I can't have real plants. They do die on me because I forget about them. Click like if you're about the same. You can have plants in your room, or else I don't really spend too much time in my room. So yeah, IKEA table nightstands. And so every time it's time to water them, I forget and I fall asleep. On this side, I have my phone, my iWatch, and then sometimes I have my earpods. Again, nightstands. In those drawers, I kind of have my jeans. And actually, yeah, I have my jeans, a hairbrush, and what I sleep in for today. Honestly, you guys, it's all about convenience as well, because even though like I have a hairbrush there, I use it and I think it's very accessible. Here I have like bras and whatnot. On that side, I have some more sleepwear, and I forgot what else. I am thinking about putting up some curtains. I still have to sew them. I have them, but I have to sew them because they're too long. And honestly, this is it. This is all my room is, and I love to keep it that way. Facts are, I get really messy right about here. So recently I have decluttered my closet, and you guys can check it out. I'll post, or I'll link the video. And this is me. Hi guys. Kind of wearing activewear, because when you wear activewear, you're gonna like at least hope you will work out. So my hope is I will work out today, and I think wearing in a workout is actually, you know, pretty motivating. And what else is about this room? Just, I think these sheets are from Costco. Yes, Costco. And I just love how this looks, you guys, right here. I think it's so beautiful. My lamps and everything. I try to have as minimalist as it is. I want to put something on here on this wall, but To me, I'm like, that's just another clutter that I might end up having on my wall. And I really don't. I really love the feeling when I walk in and there's just like nothing. Like literally nothing. I just love this feeling. And sorry for the wrinkle sheets, but that's life, right? There you go. I can't have it perfect because it's summer. I don't have a really cover sheet and I don't want it because then it just lays on the floor or something like that every night. I don't like that. And that is my room. And yes, about the decluttering closet. So when I did declutter my closet, I ended up not having a whole bunch of clothes laying around because I have minimized my clothes so much that I don't throw them on the floor. If I'm wearing this, I'm gonna fold this or hang this. All my like t-shirts actually hanging. So yeah, you guys check out that video. So you guys just watched my room tour and thank you guys so much. Comment below, subscribe, and like. And I am happy to share my journey to a minimalist lifestyle and just to be happy. I mean, the feeling I get when I walk in, there's nothing on the floor, there's no mess, there's nothing to make a mess out of. Oh, it gives me such a zen moment, a peaceful moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.